my god.
Look at him.
Yeah, look. Once they're fully grown, he's gonna get to like 3 times this size. The boys especially get pretty chunky. The females, it kind of depends, but usually you're looking at a football. Yeah, just a furry football with legs. Hey babes, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Blessing. It's currently 3/19, August 29th. I figured I would do like a chill work day in my life. I did overnight yesterday and I came home, I slept for a little bit, now I'm up and now I just want to go out, do a few things before going back to work. I'm probably gonna title this like a chill work day in my life or something around the lines of that. I want to go to the gym and then also I want to go for like a nature walk. I don't know what places they have around my area to do something like that, but I'm sure I'll find something. I don't know what else we're going to be doing in this video. I kind of want to go to Barnes and Noble to find a book to read, something that I actually feel like I'm going to read, because I have a lot of books, but I feel like I bought those books because I was influenced compared to just going to a bookstore and finding something that catches my eyes. You know what I mean? So I'm not gonna talk too much. We're just gonna get right into this video. So I hope you enjoy and like the video. So yeah, let's go. Okay y'all, so this is what I'm going to wear for the nature walk. I just have these pink shorts, kind of like biker shorts. I don't know where I got this from. Then I'm wearing this long sleeve shirt. It's not like too thick. It's really cute. But then I'm probably gonna put some white shoes on. I don't know what shoes, but yeah. And then I'm gonna take this backpack, and of course I'm gonna take my Stanley because we gotta stay hydrated on this walk. But yeah y'all, I'm so excited. I've gone for like a nature walk one time before, but I did not enjoy it. So hopefully this time around it's nice, relaxing, refreshing. Definitely needed before going back to work tonight. So yeah, you guys are gonna come along.
Look at him, look.
Oh my god.
Look at him.
Yeah, look.
Look, we're here all way now.
Oh my god.
He's all sleeping on each other.
There's so many.
Look at their eyes. Look at this one's eyes. Look at that shit.
Oh, this one's scary.
See his eyes? Oh.
Room call waiting. Line 1.
Oh, he moved back.
Wait, was that Big Lizard or is this?
says it's a gecko.
Shit, 349? What the hell?
What are these?
Well, look at this thing.
Oh, it's a snake.
That's a snake?
Yeah, it's a python in there.
Oh my god, y'all, look at the snake. You can't really see it good,
Yo,
but
look right here too.
oh my god, y'all, look at the snake. Ow. Oh my god. Ow.
These are crabs. That's under.
You wouldn't even know like they're there. They're so still. Do they not move?
No, they do move.
Are they even breathing?
They're alive. Look.
No, don't move it.
They're definitely alive.
Yo, look at this hamster. I've never seen a hamster like this before. Is it because it's shaved? I think these are guinea pigs. Are these guinea pigs? I think these are guinea pigs. Oh my god.
So I'm gonna see how they're feeling before I pass them off because they will try and leap out of your arms because they're a little dumb.
Okay.
Come here, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Just gotta give them a second to chill out. You're fine.
Don't mind if I record, dude.
No, yeah, go ahead.
Oh my gosh, you suck at this.
Oh, I'm a newbie.
Yeah, this little boy is between 2 and 3 months old. Once they're fully grown, he's gonna get to like 3 times this size.
Really?
The boys especially get pretty chunky. The females, it kind of depends, but usually you're looking at a football.
Oh, damn.
Yeah, just a furry football with legs.
That's okay if they're not behaving.
They hate, well, at this age at least, because they haven't been acclimated, they hate being picked up, but you kind of have to do it if you want them to like
Get used to you.
Exactly. I mean, a lot of people like, if you can get a guinea pig home and you can like slowly let them like build that trust with you, that's the perfect way to do it. But obviously there's times where you're gonna have to move them, which means you're gonna have to pick them up, and they're not gonna like it. But as long as you're not like, as long as you're careful with them, that's just the most important part. We want to be.
I was gonna say you could just try inside the thing, so just in case.
There we go. Yeah. Oh, you're a little bit better. You're a little chiller. It's okay. You're good. Hey. Hi. They're very soft.
They're not bad after all.
No,
I was
not at
always
all.
scared to hold one because it's so big.
No, not at all. They're very, for the most part, they're very docile. They will only ever bite if they feel seriously threatened. They will try and run first before they ever try and like hurt you. Yeah.
Do their bites hurt?
So any rodent has a very strong bite because they're used to eating very hard foods. So their bites can hurt, but they don't want to bite you. So if they're biting you, it's because that's like the last case scenario for them. Yeah. Oh, so we're doing very good. What a good boy. Yeah?
Yo, all boys?
So everyone in here is a boy. We've got some girls down here, and then we have a girl skinny pig.
Yeah,
in here.
this one is different. I've never seen this one before.
Yes. So she is a hairless guinea pig.
Oh.
Yeah. So kind of like a
okay.
hairless cat. Same idea. Yes.
Do they come like that? Like they're born like that?
They're born like that. Yeah, it's just a genetic mutation. They're born without hair, and their care is almost the same as normal guinea pigs, except because they don't have any fur. You do have to keep them in slightly warmer temperatures, and their skin also gets dry, so you have to oil them up every now and then to moisturize them. Yes.
So if you was to, so this is a boy or a girl?
This is a girl.
Okay, so if you was to put a girl in this, is it gonna still be a skin hairless or whatever?
So I don't know the exact like genetic chance of a guinea pig being hairless. I would imagine that it's a recessive gene, which means the babies would probably come out like mostly hairy, maybe exactly. Yeah, it wouldn't be 100% guaranteed. Yeah.
And when they mate, do they only have one baby, or is there sometimes multiple?
Oh, they have multiple. They have litters. Usually a litter can be anywhere between, if I'm remembering correctly, it's usually between like 5 and 3 babies at a time. And they're kind of like rabbits where they make a lot of babies very quickly. So, yes. And it's funny because when the babies come out, they just look like little adults.
Really?
Yes. They come out with all their fur, they come out with all their nails and everything, and they're just ready to go.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
You're just a tiny little thing.
I know, this one's so calm.
Yeah, he is being exceptionally well-tempered. So we're gonna hold him close. There we go. What a good boy. You're doing excellent. I would say as far as rodents go, especially if you have the space for them, they do make excellent pets. Like, they're very easy, they're very social. They're actually very inquisitive, especially once they like trust you. They want to hang out with you and they want to spend time with you.
Yeah?
Yeah, because they naturally live in herds, like just large groups of guinea pigs. And if it's just you and a couple guinea pigs at home, they consider you part of the herd. So they want to spend time with you. Yeah.
So like they'll like come over to you and like cuddle and stuff
they
like that?
They recognize the sound of your voice. They recognize, your schedule. They'll know when you're home. They'll know when to expect you.
Really?
Yeah, no,
that's pretty cool.
They're very smart.
We just came from Petco. That was so fun. I'm thinking I want a guinea pig, but I also want to see the ferret. I want to see the ferrets and then go from there. I just want something like not requiring too much attention and whatnot, too much care. So maybe the hamster is a better way to go, because she was like, oh, you're gonna have to play with the hamster and bond and do this and do that. I don't got time for all that. I really don't. But yeah, now we're about to go to Barnes and Noble. I want to see if I can find an interesting book to read. I want to get into reading because I do not read. I have a whole bunch of books that just sit and I never read them at all. So we're on our way to Barnes and Noble, and then we'll go for our trail walk. Hopefully I can find something. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys when we get to Barnes and Noble.
She fight to take me no win, this cat nigga can't even see me on win. She fight to flight, nigga win this cat. She fight to flight, run away out of here. She fight to flight, nigga can't even see me on way out of here. I'm too far in the sky. Hermes ash for the dawn, my ash. Bitch so pretty, look better than Cassie. Puffin' on Zooters and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and I gas. Came out the gutter and ain't never me the swaggin'. Security bag out a bitch, I'm a baggin'. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Park a 2 mil in the middle of my hood. Drinking no mud, I made out of the sewer. Pro hard accessories, whatever, I'm good. A lot of these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they biting my chain. Championship, ain't just gon' empty shit. Bitch breaking niggas that look at the kid. Heard of the fountain, but making the Canada. Bring me this money like they my religion. This could be a man, they a sad, they vanity. Nigga, they try to compare whatever I did. Them that touched 100, this off the gig. That came out the junk, they kidnapped the kid. I talk about a bundle's been put on the crib. Well, look at the ocean, it's my 30 M.
Yo, it's so overwhelming in here. I don't even know where to start from. It's like so much books in here, and I don't even know what type of book that I want. So I don't even know where to begin. But right now I'm in the book section. Not the book section. The I'm in the cookbook section. I want to find like some cute little cookbook just to put on my stand. It doesn't necessarily have to be something that I'm going to use because I don't really care about it because I don't even cook like that. But I don't think I see anything cute. What is this?
Air fryer magic.
Posh on a
Donuts in
budget.
an air fryer, that's crazy. They getting crazy. Banana bread pudding, this shit bomb. You ever tried this?
Banana bread pudding?
Yeah.
No.
That shit crack. That shit's so good. You'll go crazy.
Alright, let's. Okay, where did this come from? Oh, vegetarian burgers. Ooh. Not that I'm a vegetarian, but it sounds good.
It's not bad.
I've heard about this book with Steve Harvey. Oh, and it's
He's
not
getting mad backlash now.
for what? What
I don't
happened?
know. I don't think people like him because they found out like how he really is.
Stanley Kubrick. This is some visionary shit. Been trying to film pleasure with my eyes wide shut, but it keeps on moving. I blame it on the model bra with the Hollywood smile. Stripper booty with the rack like wow. Never forget ya. You put me on a feeling I never had, never had, never had. And ever since I've been trying to get it back, you pick it up, put it back. Now I'm something like the chemist on campus, but there's no drug around. I like what I found in you. I still can't feel my face. What am I smoking anyway? She said don't let the high go to waste. Can you taste it? Little taste. Novocaine, baby, baby. Novocaine, baby. I want you. Fuck me good, fuck me long, fuck me long. Love me now when I'm gone, love me now. Love me now, love me now. Numb, 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 numb. Novocaine, 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 Novocaine.
Oh, we got some pizza from one of the grocery stores. One of the grocery stores called Market Basket. But it's so freaking beautiful out here, y'all. Like, it was a long ass walk. A long ass walk. But y'all, look at my pizza. Shit looks so good.
You want mine?
Do I want yours?
My meat?
Now I see why people like Supreme Pizza. Cause this is good. Let's play some music.
So you have to have 4, right? You have to have 4 slices.
Yeah. Cause I don't know what to cost it.
Would you better just save that?
Buddy Bridge. Yo, we made it back. I see the car. I see the car. I see the car. We made it back. Yay. I'm back home, you guys. That was so much freaking fun. I'm so glad I went out and did a few things because that was really fun. I can't even talk, but yeah, that was so fun. I didn't get the chance to go to the gym because I did run out of time. I didn't even get to sleep like that, but now I'm up and now I gotta go to work. So maybe another time in one of my other vlogs we'll go to the gym. But today was really fun. Like, you guys should leave me a comment down below on what animal to get, either guinea pig or ferret, because I really want an animal, some type of animal. I had a dog before, but that did not work out at all. So I don't plan on doing that anytime soon. Like, it was just a lot of work. And the dog that I had, he was cute, but he was bad. He was real bad, and he just needed like extra attention.